Okay then, yeah, another tale from the old messy desk. About 6 months ago, or maybe more, I forked out for the Oscar open screen adapter, as you can see here, with Kickstarter. Paid the £110 and got the version without the acrylic and the actual display cable, since I had plenty of those already, and obviously a laser print cutter. So I figured, well, I could do my own cutting. And what we've done here, right, is had a quick look at the website, and as you can see, it's the open screen adapter, and hopefully ours will look like that when we're finished with it. But currently it's going to just be the board, and it's an incredible 2048 by 1536 pixels, so I'm really looking forward to seeing what the display's like. It should be quite something. And on the back of it, I was wondering, I was going to actually do this board, the iPad board. Is basically a Displayport connection directly onto the back of the LCD. So in theory, if you could actually just cut the end of the lead and sort of solder it or attach it to a connector and go directly into the back of the iPad display. However, in practice, those little connectors are really quite awful and hard to work with, and you're going to have to supply power as well in addition. So in practice, you're probably better off actually using the board, and this is what they're supplying here. You have an Arduino inevitably on the end back of it, but why exactly you need that? It's an extra. It's not actually really required, I don't think, and I think you can probably get away with without it, but I think they're probably using this instance to control the brightness as well. So it's great. Let's have a look, see what we actually get out of the box. Okay then, this is the actual box from Team Oscar, as you can see, and I've already opened it, and very well packed with quite a significant amount of the old bubble wrap, which I'm going to recycle, and also a power supply which I've plugged in ready to go, which is pretty much a standard just 12 volt DC jack, so I'm not going to bother even showing that. Now if we open it up, what we see is the one and only device in there, which is the LCD panel. Right, still actually on its standard delivery or packaging mount, and on the rear we've got the actual Oscar board, which is what it's all about. Now we're going to fire this up and see what the actual panel can do. Now if it's half as good as they say it is, then it's going to be pretty fantastic. Okay, what we got here, that's the Displayport from the computer, which you can hear in the background. The micro USB, which is connecting to the actual Arduino side of things, so you can do the updates and program, etc. 12 volts here on the DC jack or on the 0.2 inch connector block there. Over this side here are the breakouts, which I believe have got the SPI and I2C, etc. and general expansion header. This is the ISP, and we got some buttons here. Now currently, although obviously it's powered on, it's actually switched off as such, and the first thing I need to do is switch it on, at which point it goes green, and my computer flashes desperately tries to recalibrate display, and I think what I want to do now is make it a bit brighter. So pretty bright, so we make sure we can see what you're doing. Now I'm just going to turn it over and see what the display is actually like. Just propped it up and rebooted the machine so it could pick up the display, which it certainly has. No real configuration required, and currently playing a bit of YouTube on there just to give an indication of the display quality, and as you can see, it's pretty nifty. I'm appreciating it, and I hope you will too. And what I'm going to do now is basically cut that there and come back bit later on with a laser cut actual case for it. Now I'm sure that's what you're probably looking for, and we'll see how it goes then. Until then, I'll leave you with the old flying rat.